Aloha, it's Tani here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make ube ice cream and ube shake. Here are the following ingredients. This ube extract has a similar taste to a vanilla-like pistachio flavoring with a hint of coconut. I was able to find this ube extract or flavoring online. If you'd like to use this same extract, link is in the description. First, in a large bowl, fill it partially with ice. Sprinkle on about 1 part salt of every 4 parts ice. This will lower the melting point of the ice, making it perfect to use for our ice cream. Next, nestle a medium-sized bowl in the large bowl with the ice. Combine all of the ingredients in the medium-sized bowl: heavy whipping cream, milk, sugar, and ube extract. Beat the mixture with a hand mixer on medium speed for about 8 to 12 minutes or until it starts to get fluffier. Cover the cream and put it all into the freezer for about 2 hours. Again, beat the mixture and you'll notice it begins to look like the ice cream texture that we want. Beat it for about 5 minutes or until it starts to look smoother. Pour it into a freezer-friendly container. Cover and chill it in the freezer for about 24 hours. Take it out and serve immediately for a homemade ube ice cream. But if you'd like to take it a step further, you can make an ube shake just like Maui's Cupies. In a blender, add in 3 to 4 scoops of ube ice cream depending on how thick you'd like to have your shake. Half a cup of milk, and turn the blender on high for 30 seconds or until it has completely mixed well. Pour into a tall glass and garnish it with whipped cream and enjoy this onalicious ube ice cream and ube shake.